Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? So it is Sunday, and that means I need to record my weekly status. How did I do on my goals? As you will see, I have a playlist on this channel that goes over my weekly goals. Before I jump into the spreadsheet, kind of two highlights and one low light. I just kind of want to summarize. Let's go to the highlights first. First, we gave away $1,000. That was certainly a lot more than I was anticipating doing when I announced the July book report challenge. But we got so many. I spent a lot of time reading them, and I wanted to make sure everyone who submitted a book report summary got something. We only had a few winners, but we made sure that everyone got something. So $1,000 of our $2,000 goal of donations when we sent out, actually in the mail already. So that was cool. Second, people are digging the hats. This is my logo. It stands for, just remember, one at a time, one house at a time, one rental at a time. I've actually added a link to my default descriptions to them. Some have even bought some shirts. I'm really proud of the shirts, you know, asset rich, cash happy, my private money shirt, cash rich, asset poor. I think that is a hilarious one that my daughter created. The original alligator, no alligator one is pretty awesome. So people are checking it out. I never had a link to my Shopify account. It's now there. And do me a favor, go check it out. Let me know which ones you like, you don't like. The hats come in 3 colors, gray, black, and, or I don't know if this is navy or black or whatever it is. And of course, purple. And then the low light. 2 weeks in a row, we haven't had many students sign up for the course. The course is $199. It will always be that, and I don't plan to raise it. You get access to me in our Saturday sessions. I'm actually thinking I'm giving so much away on YouTube, right? I'm doing now an hour of question and answers every Saturday at 8. I'm starting to think by doing that for free is why students aren't signing up. I don't know. And I'm not saying I'm stopping. I'm just trying to make the connection. And pretty disappointed. Again, I think the course is the best thing I've created. I think this time frame, like July to December, is the best time to learn it. Maybe it's the 75-day hard challenge. People are doing that for free. I don't know. I don't know, but it's been 2 weeks in a row, and yeah, I'm disappointed. I'm not sure what I'm doing different. So I have to look into that, ask myself questions, see what's right for me. So that's the low light. Definitely disappointing. I know it's there to help a lot of people, but let's get into the week. So let's take a look. All right. Again, I think it's important to have goals. I think it's important to write down your goals. I think it's more important to track, and most important to share. That's why I do this. I share with you my updates every week because I want to be accountable to you as you should be accountable to yourself. So I break my goals down, as you see, every week into different buckets. The first one is health. I'm really in a groove now of working out. Typically get YouTube stuff done for you by 10, and then I work out from 10 to noon. And then the rest of the day is for Olivia and I. So that's, I'm in a groove. It feels good. Pretty much given up on the intermittent fasting. This freaking stay-at-home thing is driving me nuts. I am starting to get antsy as all get out. So I am snacking when I'm bored, I guess, is what I have to admit to you. I'm doing okay on the extra sit-ups. Not as much of a driver as it was in the beginning, but it's still there. As for the brand, one rental at a time, had an okay week, still missing many of our goals, but maybe they were just too big. Like YouTube views, we went up, 800 views this week, almost 900. Podcast listens had a nice week, up a couple of thousand. YouTube subscriptions, unfortunately, fell under my goal of 150 after being above it 3 weeks in a row. That is the hangover from Spencer's review of me. He gets all the credit in the world for certainly most of these 3 weeks. Thank you, Spencer. And then Instagram subscribers or followers or whatever the right word is, seems to be going in the right direction. We are up, I don't know, what is that, 70 or so, 74 from last week, which exceeds the 40. So that is certainly trending in the right direction. Like all of you, I am looking to add rentals. I want to add rentals. I want to add houses. But the market is nutty. There's nothing on the market that makes sense. Everything that's on the market gets 8 offers in the first day. I can't compete with owner occupants, and I won't overpay. So when I tell you, if you're a new investor, that you need to take my course, learn it, build confidence, it's because I don't want you to overpay. A lot of you might find an okay deal, but then get in a bidding war and make an okay deal bad. I don't want that for you. So that's disappointing. No other real weak deals to review. We did lose one person from the hub. We did lose a wholesaler who's going to work out of his home instead of the office. That means we got one office available. If you know someone in Fresno that wants a spot, let us know. I'm also thinking about making it a, I don't know what you would call it, basically an office that I put together where you can come in and out during the week. Shared office, I guess you would call that. So opportunity there for some other Fresno-based real estate investors, flippers, contractors. Somebody needs office, let me know. It's actually the office right next door to mine, if that matters. As for marketing, haven't spent anything in a while, just still combing through the other stuff that I have spent. I've spent over $2,000. So we're doing that. Didn't increase cash flow at all this month or this week. We've already hit our goal, actually doubled our goal. So we will see where we're going there. We do have a flip that's in to be sold. It did have a problem appraisal. I think we are making strides to correct it. It was without question an error in the appraiser's execution. I've communicated with the, I guess it's not the lender, and let them know why. And I documented and showed everything, and they agreed. They said, oh, wow, yes, this is clearly a mistake. So we will see. There's a chance that I may have to eat a $400 appraisal, but that's okay. So we will see. Also, in case you're wondering, our triplex that we listed for top of market is in escrow. They've completed their inspections Friday, and we are moving forward. So we shall see. We'll see what happens. And then we haven't bought anything in a while, although we have one that's right on the cusp, but it has a non-performing tenant, and we can't evict, and we have it in the contract that we are going to take it vacant. So we are just waiting for that to happen. Didn't buy anything this week. Frankly, can't get out of the house, so I'm not buying anything. No unique events. Although I'm going to try to get Olivia to do a drive or something. We've got to get out of the house. You have no idea how frustrating it is. And then for the week, as far as content goes, it was okay. Again, 4 hours of original content. Did do some positive impacts last week. One thing I'd love your help with is Instagram. If you know of a real estate investor that you follow on Instagram, send them a message or a comment on their posts saying, will you do an Instagram live with one rental at a time? Make sure you tag me. Let's do that this week. I'm hoping 3, 4, 5 of you go to Instagram right now, hit pause, go to Instagram, go to the real estate investors you follow, and either direct message them or tag them on a post saying, hey, you should do an Instagram live with one rental at a time. If you can do that for me, that would be great. If you tag me, I should see that, and I will send you a huge thank you. That'd be cool. Let's see if that'll happen. We just did the 75-day hard challenge video today. Interviewed, he's what is he, 42 days in, which is pretty impressive. So I'm glad to see somebody's, taking the challenge to heart. That was a lot of fun. Was a guest on a couple of podcasts this week, which is awesome. We sold 67 books on Amazon. So what's that? That's about 10 books a day. We got some Amazon reviews, so I thank you. We got 9 of them. huge thank you. If you know, we've sold thousands of books by now. I would love to keep increasing the Amazon reviews. So if you can do anything for me for all the free stuff we do, is go to Amazon, leave a quick, you know, great book, buy it, you know, whatever it is. I would greatly appreciate that. The more 5-star reviews, the better. So please, 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 thank you. Audible books. I'm really glad we did this. I did not know how it would go, but we sold, what is that, 46 last week. So almost got to 50, but that was really cool. We only got 3 Audible reviews. So the same thing applies for Audible, right? We now have, you know, 1,051 sales and only 74 reviews. So, hey, if you're watching this and you have Audible and you have the book and you're not one of the 74, can I ask you to stop this, pause this, and go leave me a quick review? I give you a lot of stuff for free. So hopefully a little give and take there would be great. A lot of people are taking the paid course. That's the, what is that? I don't know, 1, 2, like 7, 8 weeks above 10 people. So pretty awesome feeling. Again, though, as I said at the opening, only 2 paid courses all week. And I don't know why. I'm thinking maybe I'm doing too much stuff for free. Maybe my Saturday Q&A is people are listening to that instead of doing the course. I don't know. I don't know. It's clearly a change. As you could see, a couple of weeks ago, we were doing 9, and then suddenly 3 and 2. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, but it's definitely different. I did write a couple of pages. Again, on the positive side, we are selling some hats. I'm really proud of the logo. One at a time, one at a time, one at a time. I gave you 3 colors to choose from, you know, so there'll be a link in the description if you want to have one of these as well. If you do, maybe take a selfie and send it to me. That'd be cool. Like to see everyone doing that. And again, we gave out a donation of $1,000. So everyone got something. Everyone got something. Only a few got 100, but I made sure that everybody got something. So that's my week. Again, really proud to be able to give out $1,000 to kids that took the time. I'm really happy people are liking the hats and the shirts. They're just fun for me, but I'm curious about the course. It's $199, so it's cheap. It's the best thing I've done. I teach you a skill, help you build confidence. I'm not sure what changed, so I have to figure that out. Maybe I'll know by next week. All right, everybody, that's my summary for the week. I hope you have a great Sunday. Take care. Bye.